Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can write in a Notability app. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now first thing you need to do is select your tool. So you can select here the pencil or some pen icon in the top bar, as you can see right here. Then you can customize it. So as you can see here, we can change colors, so we can edit more right here, also here, so like that. Then we have some how it looks like. It's more thin or thick. Also here the same thing, some style of it, so something like that, or with dots, as you can see. So I can do that, really nice. So this what we are doing now is basically handwriting. So as you can see, it's totally handwriting, uh, nothing special right here, like that. Now for typing notes, so let me just delete that uh, quickly, like so. Now for typing notes, what we can do is we can use here the icon, T icon right here, as you can see at the top corner, and here at the bottom corner we will open up some tools which we can use. So you already know bold, italic, and underline. Then we can change here large title, title to body caption. Then also here we can change some fonts. As you can see, we can choose a lot of them. Then the size of the text, we can adjust the color also, and here we can open up our keyboard, this small one. So now if I press right here, we can type in if we want. This is pretty much like so here in Notepad. This is how you can write in Notability. What we can also do is select the box, make it, and what we can do now, we can select this one here, like so, and we can change style. As you can see, the thickness, we can change color, we can duplicate it, copy, convert, group, save, or delete the whole thing. Now what we can also do is under here on the note button, if we go here to settings, we can enable these quick text boxes. What this thing do is that we make first box, and after that we can type in uh, so that we have more organized note in Notability. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.